a 97% off Black Friday sale that less than 0.1% of people can get. This is the best deal you would ever have. Watch until the end of the video to figure out how to enter. My name is Tian and I own Handy Solutions. We're a premium bathroom, kitchen, and basement renovation company in Toronto, Canada. We have the best workmanship in the entire industry and have lifetime warranty on our shower systems. The average 4-bathroom renovation runs between $30,000 to $45,000 and we're running the first ever Black Friday sale, where the grand prize is $6,000 off of your bathroom renovation. We're also going to have 3 second place prizes for $2,000 off of your renovation. All you have to do is buy a raffle ticket at $200. To make this a real deal, I'm limiting the number of tickets to only 30 tickets at $200 each. Even if I sell all 30 tickets, that's still only going to make me break even. So this is a real deal. Plus, the 3 second place prizes will be an even better incentive. I'm going to make this offer available to my 40,000 subscribers across all social media platforms in both English and Mandarin Chinese. And also the 120 people that have reached out to me for a renovation in this year of 2025. 30 tickets out of 40,000 is 0.075%, which is less than 0.1%. So literally less than 1 in 1,000 could possibly get this ticket, which means they're going to sell really, really fast. So buy yours today. Or if I do a really bad job of promoting this, then if only one guy buys it, then he just automatically wins the grand prize of $6,000 off, which is a 97% saving. On top of the 30 quantity limit, there's also a time deadline of December 5th, 2025. You had to buy your tickets before then. To make the draw fair, I will be live streaming it on YouTube on December the 27th. And it'll be public and for everybody to see and also save the recording so that everyone can know the results are totally random. This offer is only available to single detached homes in the city of Toronto and York region. And the project must be started before the end of 2026. So it's really good for people who are actually looking for a project right now. And it must be used on a bathroom renovation of at least $30,000. All taxes are extra. The way to enter is you send me an e-transfer of $200 to my email quote@handysolutions.ca. And in the notes section below, you will write down your name, email, and phone number, and also the address. You can also give this to somebody else, in which case I will need the recipient's name, email, and phone number, and also their address. A limit of 1 raffle ticket per address. This is a great deal for people who are looking to have a high-quality, lifetime-lasting bathroom in their home. So take advantage of this deal today by buying the offer and sending me the e-transfer right away.